and securing all the things. She is an award-winning public speaker, active blogger, and podcaster, and has delivered hundreds of talks on 6 continents. 6 continents, that's mind-blowing.
Thank you, Gidi. Thank you for having me, everyone. I'm really excited to be here. And I want to talk about basically how can we make sure our application security strategies age well and continue to do all the things we need them to do so that our apps continue to be secure against all the threats that continue to happen to us. And so we called it future-proofing your AppSec strategy, but I mean, try to think of it as a really good strategy that of course you'll have to probably adjust like a little bit from time to time and from different organizational perspectives, but I feel like for what we're doing, this is gonna be good. Okay, so I'm pressing the button.